What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to another one. So today, what we're gonna be working on is some shorts that my boy Stan. Y'all know Stan is one of my close friends, Mr. T-shirt Side Hustle himself. And these are shorts from Circle Clothing. So Stan sent out quite a few packages to a handful of us to do some content on or whatever we wanted to do. I didn't want to miss the opportunity to show you how dope these are. So these are from Circle Clothing. I got a variety of colors, you know, I mean, creams, they're my favorite colors, but nothing tops these pinks and stuff that I like, right? And so I have to admit, now you know I don't lie because I can't lie to you guys. I would tell you if I think something is good enough or not, and it's just my opinion, you know, I mean, take it with a grain of salt. You can form your own opinion if you order yourself some. So I'm a huge fan of Bella Canvas. Bella Canvas. Now I love their shorts. They're similar to these in some ways, but I'm gonna have to be honest right here. I'm sorry, Bella. Circle Clothing, their shorts are even better. I kid you not. You have to get your hands on some. I'll leave some links down here at the bottom somewhere, so you can head over to Circle Clothing once you get done watching this and order yourself some. Form your own opinion. Tell me what you think. But for right now, we're going to combine a little Circle Clothing, some shorts with some iColor. Y'all know iColor is my favorite tool. We're gonna put us a design somewhere on a pair of one of these here shorts. So I hope you like it. Enjoy the video. Here we go. God, I don't know what pair to put it on. I don't know what pair to put it on. We're going with these color. Cream, white, off-white cream. Oh wait. And being the die-hard Steelers fan that I am, you know, he threw a pair of these in there for me, so you know what's going on here. This has to be something Steelers. Has to be. The season's coming up soon. We're approaching it. I'm excited. I might even wear these for the first game, the first preseason game. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you, Circle Clothing and Stan, because you're giving me a lot of stuff to work with. And then they sent me a stack of shirts. So at the end of this video, we have a special shirt that I'm gonna press. So anyway, let's get back to the video. All right, so for this particular design, I'm gonna use the standard A and B sheet that comes with the iColor. I was gonna go with the Ultra Bright, but it's an 8x14 sheet. I don't feel like cutting that out for this video, so we're gonna go with the standard A and B sheet, which is 8.27 by 11.69. Not that that matters, but anyhow, so here we go. So I always got to make sure I got the sheet right because I've, you know, been known to put the wrong side in. So, you know, I stick it under the light to make sure. So I know the side that I'm not supposed to print on has all these little lines in it. And that's how I know not to mess it up. Slide that guy in to our tray. You know what? I am so sorry that she chooses to be naked every single time I shoot a video. I can't get her to cover herself all the way up. So, you know, I apologize for her nudity. All right, so we've got our paper loaded. Now let's go to the design that we're about to use. All right, so you're going to have to bear with my audio and my webcam. I haven't been able to shoot off of my laptop for quite some time. Like something happened, I don't know what it is, so the picture might not be that great, at least me. You don't want to see me anyway. So, as you can see, we've got our Pro Rip opened up on my iColor. I already have the design ready to go. I think it's on my desktop. So let's go ahead and import this file that we're going to use today. Right here, look, he was ready to go. We're calling him the Big Sheet. So, you know, I'm a huge fan of Biggie Smalls, Notorious B.I.G. That was my guy. I think I know every song damn near word for word. And so that's what we're going to put on these shorts. All right, so our design is in there. Let's go ahead and size him. Let's size him up. Right. See if we get it right on the mark. I didn't play with it a little bit. There it goes. Right, so as I zoom in, that should be the entire sheet. There you go. So cool thing is that it mirrors it for me already. This is going to be the design that we're using. Usually on an image like this, I might want to rasterize it, but for sample purposes in the video, I'm not going to, well, that'll be another video. Let's print our guy. This is going to be, we're going to put him on the right side of my shorts, and then I've added a small little logo down here that we'll put on the left side. Let's see what they turn out like. So, print there. There we go. See where it says active up here? It's letting me know it's getting it prepared, and it's printing. Yeah, so we're going to head over to the printer and get that. Let's see if it comes out nice. Oh, what? Yeah, if you know how to play with the colors in your iColor, these images come out nice and vivid. So there he is. There he is. Look at him. All right, so now what we're going to go do is marry these two sheets together and press. All right, so now we got to go inside to use that press because I still got some electrical issues out here in my shop I got to get fixed. Let's go marry this sheet. This is the adhesive sheet that we're marrying that image to. Let's go in there and do so. All right, so you guys have seen me do this quite a few times where I'm marrying the sheet, right? Kind of boring, kind of interesting. This is just my process. Hopefully it comes out good. All right, so I like to make sure I have a clean enough edge right here that I can fold this little ear at. So when I go to peel it, there's nothing that I'm gonna rip on that opposite side here. It's gonna give me enough room. See, my image doesn't start till right here. So I have enough room to peel without having any issues. All right, let's go ahead and put that on the press. All right, so we've preheated the bottom platen. Nice and hot. We're gonna stick this on there with our lip. Cover it up with another sheet over the top of that. All right, and then we're gonna press. All right, so these are my settings. I like to keep it around 320. Shouldn't be 325, it's just going up and down. 320 for 60 seconds is where I leave my settings at when I'm marrying sheet. There it goes, it's done. Let's make sure we can peel that top piece off. All right. It's really, really, really hot. Then what I do, go over the top with a little rag or something, right? Make sure you're rubbing that image in there because we want to get all of it. All right. And now we're going to peel. All right, so as you can see, we got the peel. Everything's still intact. And if you go back and look at your bead sheet, there should be nothing there, which means I got a great smooth peel. Now what I want to do is I want to cut around that the edges, get that extra adhesive off of here. We know that I'm going to have to cut in here because this is going on one side and this is going on the opposite. So let's go ahead and cut that off. Now I'm going to cut this small pocket piece out. Get on that. Well, just on one side, and the other side. He was all dream. Drop that pair of shorts on there. So on this side is where we're going to press the bigger image of Biggie. I think we'll be okay leaving that there. I think I want them down there somewhere. What do you think? I think right there is good. Got it exactly where I want it. Let's cover him back up. Press that for about 20 seconds. This is a cold pill, so we gotta wait a few minutes. We'll let him cool down. All right, you guys, the moment you've been waiting for, the first peel, right? So let's get this peeled off. Remember, these are a cold peel, so nice and easy. And you shouldn't have a problem with it at all. Some people knock the iColor. I don't know why, because it's a fantastic machine. Bam, look at the detail. Look at that, right? So it has that shine because we still have to press it one more time, which we're gonna go ahead and do right now. And then we'll finalize the other side and be done. All right, the second press, we're gonna use some parchment paper. I didn't use the T-seal I was talking about. Parchment paper will do the job too. Or some baker paper, but. So this one I'm pressing for 12 seconds. All right, so 12 seconds. I let the parchment paper sit for about 5 seconds before I peel it off. There you have it. Nice matte look. You don't feel it. It's in there. No, it's not going to feel like paper at all whatsoever when I go to wash it. It's in there. Let's do the opposite side now and finish these off. I'm going to stick him probably about right. I'm thinking right here. Yeah? Corner? Probably the corner. Make it look a little more official. Just cover and press that. Same thing as last time. All right, let's get this guy off. Get the second press and we'll be done. All right, so we've pressed it. Wait 5 seconds, remember, for that. Before you peel that parchment off. Or your T-seal. Hopefully you grab some T-seal. Been about 5 seconds, right? So. And there's the opposite side, guys. What do you think? How about we go put these on? Let's go try them on. You guys, these came out so amazing, though. Look. Isn't that fire? How about we put them on? Let's do it. You can't see my draws, but, you know, I'm about to put these on. Ooh, these are so dope. Oh my God. These are fire. You guys, they're super dope. Check us out. Can you see that? Kind of awkward angle, right? But what? You probably can't really see it. Let's put this on the ground then. Hold on. All right, guys, look. So what you think? What? Look at the biggies on that side. What? So, this is what I've come up with. I hope that you can see this angle. Yes? What do you think? I think they came out great. I need to make a matching shirt because now I'm excited to wear these. I might wear these on the weekend. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, thumbs down, do whatever you want. You know, I'm just having fun. I want to thank my boy. He's become so close to me. One of my close friends, Stan Banks, T-shirt Side Hustle, for always blessing me, always being there, and for Circle Clothing for sending me these shorts. I have a ton of them to work with. I'll leave their link here. Pick up some shorts. Head over there right now, seriously, and get creative. But I said I was gonna leave you with one last thing. You know how I normally say goodbye. I always say like I'm out, and then I just kind of, you know, do some crazy, you know, like off the side of the screen type thing. I'm not doing that right now. I'm gonna leave you guys with this right here.